Okay, so when it comes to technology helping with communication in the classroom, I think more than anything else, the great debate in education is this. It is, you hear some people that are just will put that thing away. Here's a pocket chart, put them in there as soon as you get in class, and then don't use it. But I'm kind of the opinion that if we do not teach the students to use this technology properly, then what are we really doing? Because they have the entire world's knowledge at their fingertip at all times, right? So the days of us communicating as teachers as the great keeper of information, and here I'm going to spoon feed you this information, so now you will have that information, are officially gone. So that is not our job anymore. Our job is to help them decipher information, perhaps use some of that, how to use the information, how to know if the source is reliable, how to know exactly, whether they can trust something or not. I know for my classes, I'll have, the students make videos, or since I teach ag and industrial arts, if they need to do some reasons on, um, a group of cattle or something like that, I'll have them, do those in video form. They tend to be a little bit more comfortable with that. That's kind of how I start them out. And at that point in time, they can give that video. They're perfectly fine talking into their phone or taking videos of themselves. Heck, they do it all the time. And that kind of transitions them into the next steps. So I don't know really what else we want to talk about as far as that goes, but I believe that use technology as a tool, but do not allow it to just, to run everything or to take away from any learning process. We just need to use that as a supplement, not as a means of, hey, this is the end all be all. So have a great day.